Hello my dear friends and welcome to today's video. Friends, in this video we are going to understand what exactly financial statement analysis is and how it is done. In this video we are also going to look at who all are the people who need to do this financial statement analysis and why is it done. And after doing financial statement analysis, what all are the decisions that you would be able to take regarding a particular company. So let's begin the financial statement analysis. Please watch it till the end because at the end of this video I am going to share a technique of doing the financial statement analysis which is world's most widely used technique for understanding the financials of any organization. Using that technique, you can very easily analyze the financial statements of any organization, may it be a large organization or even a small organization. So let's begin this video. Friends, when we say financial statement analysis, what exactly do we mean by it? The name itself tells us that it is nothing but analysis of financial statements of a company. It is the analysis of financial statements of a company. So when we say that we are analyzing the financial statements, which all financial statements are we looking at? We are mainly concerned with these three financial statements. Which are those? Number one is of course the balance sheet. Second is the profit and loss account, also called as the income statement. And third is the cash flow statement. Now friends, these three statements are very important because if you look at the first one, that is the balance sheet. A balance sheet tells us about the current financial position of a company as on particular date. It is nothing but a snapshot of the overall financial position of a company. Please remember, it is not a record or an account of all the assets and liabilities throughout the year. It is not a record of the whole year, but it is only the picture as on the date on which the balance sheet is made. Let's say if it was 31st March, so it will tell you that what amount of assets and what amount of liabilities the company has as on that particular day. So it is only a picture as on that date. Please remember that. The second statement, the profit and loss account. Now this statement is of course a statement and an account for the whole year. This is an account for the whole year of the company. In this, you will come to know that what all assets, what all incomes and expenditures the organization has incurred throughout the year. And of course, the third statement, that is the cash flow statement, this statement will let us know that where all we have seen the cash inflows and where all from we have seen the cash outflows, from where the money comes into the company and from to where the money goes out. That would be known to us by using the cash flow statements. So these statements are to be analyzed and then we can say that we have done the financial statement analysis. Now by the way, who does this analysis? For whom is this analysis really important? The first stakeholder who analyzes the financial statements of a company are nothing but the investors. Now, who are these investors? These investors are like you and me. It could be the retail investors, the individuals who are interested in investing into stocks and bonds of a particular company. Or it can also be the institutional investors like that of the asset management companies, the mutual fund companies, the portfolio managers, or even the pension fund schemes. So all the institutional investors are also a part of the investors. So they all, for sure, before investing, they all carry out this financial statement analysis. Along with the investors, you have the money lenders, the banks, or any other financial institution who are lending money or who are supposed to lend money, who are considering to lend money to a particular organization. All such institutions will also carry out the financial statement analysis of that particular company. Third party, what we can see is the owners or the managers. Of course, they would surely like to know that how our company is performing, how the performance has been of our organization in last year or last few years. So for them, of course, analyzing their own financial statements becomes very important. Also, along with this, the suppliers or creditors, the people, the organizations who supply raw materials on credit to the company, they as well carry out this financial statement analysis. And now, why do they do this? They do it to ensure that even if we sell materials to the company on credit, can we really expect to receive our money in time from the company? So the suppliers and creditors, they carry out the financial statement analysis. And last but not the least, it is the employees of the organization who would like to understand that how well our company is doing, and accordingly what demand for compensation can be made to the organization. So these all stakeholders, and of course there could be many who are involved or directly or indirectly related with the organization, would look and carry out the financial statement analysis of the company. Now, when you are doing the financial statement analysis of a company, what all things you should look at? Let us understand that. There are 5 basic elements that you should look at when you are analyzing any company. And what are those 5 elements? The number 1 element is the liquidity of the company. Now, what is this liquidity? When we say liquidity, liquidity is nothing but the ability of an organization to pay off its short-term debts. Is it having sufficient amount of cash or current assets which can be easily converted into cash, and can you use those assets to pay off your short-term liabilities? Understanding this is called as liquidity analysis. The second thing is, of course, the profitability. Whether whosoever the party is dealing with the company, but each and every stakeholder will always be interested in understanding the profitability of the organization, whether our company is really making profits or not, because only a profit